If you have clogged catalytic converter issues while driving, you should have them replaced because they could harm your engine. You need to be aware that you shouldn't continue to drive for very long if you've ever considered doing so when your catalytic converter is defective. What are the symptoms of a bad or clogged catalytic converter? Check engine light is on. The check engine light coming on is the most obvious sign of a clogged catalytic converter. Use an OBD scanner to verify whether the catalytic converter is the issue if you notice that your check engine light is on. Low fuel efficiency. If the catalytic converter is blocked, your vehicle's fuel economy and gas mileage will deteriorate. This is because the engine's proper operation requires fresh, combustible oxygen, which can be reduced due to increased exhaust buildup from a blocked converter. Sluggish acceleration. If your catalytic converter is clogged, it can cause decreased engine performance, jerking, stalling, and trouble navigating steep hills due to faulty combustion. Vehicle starting issues. The exhaust system fills with a lot of smoke when a catalytic converter becomes clogged. This could result in frequent stalling or make it impossible to start the automobile at all. Your engine may likely sputter and only start a few seconds later if the CAT system is seriously clogged. The smell of rotten eggs and sulfur. A working catalytic converter converts hazardous gas into less dangerous exhaust by converting pollutants like hydrogen sulfide into odorless sulfur dioxide. A clogged catalytic converter cannot effectively handle the sulfur exhaust gases, resulting in a rotten egg odor. Misfiring engine. The toxic gas in the engine ignites when the catalytic converter gets clogged, causing the engine to misfire and gradually damage important parts. It's best to contact a professional immediately if you notice your engine misfiring. Vehicle emission test failure. Most states require annual emissions testing for vehicles, with the catalytic converter being crucial for producing safe exhaust gas emissions. If the converter is blocked and unable to process harmful gases like carbon monoxide effectively, the vehicle is likely to fail an emissions test. When should you change your catalytic converter? Replace your car's catalytic converter after 10 years or if it shows signs of clogging or physical damage. What causes the clogged catalytic converter? Overheating of the catalytic converter can be caused by used spark plugs and coolant leakage. Soot accumulation in the exhaust can also hinder the converter's performance. Can you drive with a bad converter? Driving with a damaged catalytic converter is not recommended. It can affect your car's performance and may even make it difficult to start. How much does it cost to replace the catalytic converter? The primary difference between direct fit and universal fit units is that a universal replacement converter can be installed for $200 $300 at a muffler shop for many cars. Direct fit converters are more expensive and can cost between $300 and $2,500 for the part alone, with additional installation costs. That's all for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.